was suspended. I know there's going to be people that ask, okay? So this is what happened. I'll break it down to you quickly. I got a traffic violation back in February. It was for speeding. I had to go to court for it because it was a high over the limit. Like, it was high. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I was tripping. I think I was going like 70 and a 30 on some dumb ass, just some dumb shit. I was in a rush for something. It was a traffic cam, whatever. Now with the traffic cams, they send the citation to your addresses on file. I hadn't changed my address yet. I didn't end up changing my address until I think like April or May on my license. So they sent the violation to my old address. Now because they did that, I didn't get it. Didn't know I had court. I missed court. Because I missed court and I didn't follow through with court, they suspended my license in March. By the end of March, they put a warrant for my arrest because I was non-compliant in their eyes. So that's where we're at. That's why I have the warrant, because I had to suspend a license. All right, now we're up to date. Cool. Now I'm under arrest. Now I don't know how it is in every other state, but when you're under arrest, and you're in custody, police custody, everything that's on your person, they have the right to search you. Like, you're under arrest. So that's just what it is. I had my bag on me, and this, from here on out, from the rest of this story, this part is completely alleged. This is what's in their reports. I am just reciting what their reports say. This is all alleged. This is not in reality what happened. All alleged. So in the report, it says I allegedly told them that I had something in my bag. I'm not going to say exactly what the report said. Some stuff I'm going to leave and not go into details with, obviously, for court reasons. But in the report, it says that I allegedly told them that I had some drugs in my bag. And that is where the charges for the felony came from. And they looked, allegedly, found some stuff in my bag. At this point, they had probable cause. They searched my car, but they found it in my car. Okay. Now, at this point, I know how cops are, okay? I know I'm going to get charged. However, my friend's baby mom's in the car with me. There's no way in the world I'm about to have her caught up in this. She has nothing to do with it. So I'm begging the cop. I'm like, please, bro, please, please, please do not charge her. She has nothing to do with this. I promise you. Like, I'll tell you whatever you need to know as far as, you know, what my stuff is, and if it means that she's not going to get charged, okay? Now, at this point, I allegedly told them that it was my stuff. Again, alleged. This is what's in their report. And because of that, they didn't charge me. Okay, cool. I'm arrested, whatever. I'm in the goddamn car, bro, okay? This is where everything hits me. I'm in complete shock at this point because I'm like, yo, just got arrested, bro. Like, what the fuck is going on? I'm in the car. He's like, yo, I ain't gonna lie to you. You know, I really paid your tag. Your shit came back suspended. I just want to show you real quick. So he shows me, you feel me? I see everything. I end up going to the barracks. As soon as I got there, they try to get me to snitch. Obviously, I'm still here. I'm still facing this court case. I'm still trying to get a lawyer. So you know I did. It is what it is, bro. Everybody knows that's just what it is, bro. That's just what comes with it. When you in the game, when you involved in the game, when you doing anything with involving anything, allegedly, that's just what comes with it, bro. You don't talk. Ask for a lawyer. Shut the fuck up. That's just what it is, bro. They sweated me for like 6-7 hours, bro. Kept me in the holding cell. I got there in the holding cell probably around like 11:30 in the morning. I didn't like talk to the state commissioner until like 8. As late as hell, the state commissioner's like, we're gonna hold you without bond. I'm like, all right, cool, whatever. I already knew that was gonna happen, whatever the fuck the case may be. I already knew. I wasn't gonna get a bond until Monday if I was gonna get one. So I go to jail. The whole time I'm in jail, bro, it's hilarious. I'm not gonna lie. I wish I could tell you that it was fucked up and shitty. It was mentally, but every other aspect was hilarious. And if you get this video to at least get this video to 1,000 likes. You get this video to 1,000 likes, I will tell you about my weekend in jail. That shit, bro, trust me, you're gonna want to get this video to 1,000 likes, bro. I'm not gonna lie. But that shit was so funny, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Obviously, I'm not taking none of this lightly. I don't want to be in jail. I don't want to go to prison. Jail's terrible. Like, literally, obviously, I'm laughing and saying, oh, it was funny. It was funny. It was funny because I got arrested in the city I grew up in, so I knew everybody in the jail damn near. And I knew 12 out of the 15 people in my block. So, like, it was just, like, the people were funny. But, like, being in jail is not funny at all. That shit is not no laughing matter. It sucks. Just don't commit crimes. Don't go to jail. Simple as that. That's just what it is. But, yeah, at that point, had my bond review. And, yeah, I got bond, but I got put on house arrest. So right now, as I am speaking to you, I got a big-ass bracelet on. They asked me if I wanted it on my ankle or my wrist. And at first, I was going to put it on my ankle. But I thought it would be cool to put on my wrist because it kind of looks like a fucking morpher, like I'm a ranger, like a Power Ranger or something. So yeah, we risked it up. All in all, bro, it was terrible. I just wanted to tell y'all, you know, what happened. These alleged charges are all drug related. One is a
Black
felony.
stuck